Hello everyone! In this video we are going to learn how to do craft with chart papers. First is the mushroom. For this you need red and white chart paper. Look carefully how they are doing. This is the final look. Next is the butterfly. For this you need yellow and white chart paper. Cut the papers and paste as shown in this video. At last paste its wings. Next is the penguin. Take black paper and cut it as shown. Paste its eyes and nose. Cut the paper at the center and insert a white spoon for a final look. Next is a cute bunny. Take white paper, cut and paste as shown and do its pink ears, draw its eyes and cheeks. At last, paste its cute hairband. Next is the bird. For this, you need green chart paper, cut and paste as shown. Then paste its eyes and nose for the final look. Next is a beautiful duck. Trace your hand as shown in this video, cut the yellow paper and paste its head, eyes, nose and legs. See how fantastic it is. Next is a monkey. Take a cardboard paper, draw and cut as shown, then paste its head. Take one clip and hang it as shown. You can do this to decorate your garden. Next, by seeing, you will know how to paste papers with gum pen. This is a new model gum pen. Next, we are going to see how to do honeybee. For this, you need yellow and black chart paper. Cut and paste as shown. Next is the butterfly. For this, you need red and pink paper. Cut and fold it as shown. Tie the two papers and use spoon as its body. See how fantastic the butterfly is. You can use the spoon as its body to look very realistic. Next is the box man. For this you need red, yellow and orange chart papers. Cut the papers like a box, paste the eyes, mouth, ears and its buttons. Use cloth clips as its hands and legs to look very good. Next is the craft using a cup. Take one paper cup, draw its eyes, nose and mouth. Paste its ears on the top of the cup, cut it as shown, insert the wheel inside it. Look carefully how they fold and paste the wheels. See how it is running. Is this very cute? Next is the craft with paper cup and plastic bottle. Take one plastic bottle, paper cup and straw, cut it and paste as shown. Draw elephant roughly on the paper cup. You can use this as a dispenser. Next is the pineapple. For this you need yellow, green and orange chart paper. Fold the orange paper and cut it as shown and paste it in yellow paper. See how awesome it is. Next is a paper cup elephant. Cut the paper cup to create its trunk and tail at the back side. Then draw its leg with black marker. Cut its ears and paste it. See how cute it is. Look carefully how they are doing and folding. Next is also a paper cup craft of octopus. Cut it and fold for a leg look. You know, octopus has many legs, right? Then paste its eyes and mouth. See how good it is. Next is a cute little bunny using a tissue paper. Look carefully how they are folding. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.